Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial you will learn copy YouTube video link on your mobile. So let's jump right in. First thing first, take your phone, open YouTube app and make sure you can use the updated version of the app. After that, play any video if you want to copy the link. Then simply pause it. After that, you can see the various button listed there. Scroll through the menu, located the share button. Once you found them, simply tap on it once. After the pop-up menu, you can find the copy link option. Once you found them, simply tap on it and you have successfully copied the link. However, if you decide to share this link on your friend, don't worry. This is available. To do it, simply return to your home screen, open any chat. For example, I have used this Messenger. So open Messenger, then open any group or messages, then simply paste the link. To do it, tap on hold it, select paste, then send them. That's it, how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Possible to subscribe my channel.